Today we're going to work on two different mazes. We're going to work on this one first, and then the second one we work on is going to be that one with the city and the trees. The first one is kind of tricky, but we'll get there. We'll start with the pen tool. Change your stroke and fill color. I've already done that. Make sure your fill is transparent. That red stripe means everything here. If your fill stays white, then you're going to wind up covering up some of the things you need to see with white paint by accident. That's a little maddening. So for this one, you're going to click and let go just to make your straight lines. And then you get to the point where you need some curves. So that's clicking and dragging, and you can see where the curve is going to go. Just work through this, and I need you not to be a perfectionist, because when you become a perfectionist at stuff like this, it will drive you crazy. Like right here, I think I'd come to about the midpoint and then come back up. And remember that trick we learned before, the trick we learned with those M-shaped lines we made where we dragged that handle? That's what I'm going to do here. I'm going to take my Alt key and I'm going to drag this handle the other direction. Come on. It's not cooperating. And that's going to help me get this line to curve the right way. Oh my gosh, it didn't go. Okay, so let me try that one more time. Make the curve, Alt, and drag the handle. And then I can make the next curve. And again, I'm going to Alt and drag the handle so that it goes straight. You see how I drag the handle to the right here? That's how I get this line to straighten back out. It's really pretty straightforward. If you don't get it right, that's okay. Just get it close, and that's going to be good enough for me. Didn't do perfect there, but I'm going to let that go. Try that one. When you get done, let me know, and I will give you a grade for it. And let me show you just some really quick, there's a really neat thing on the next one that I want you to see. The next one in your layers panel has something called a cheat layer, which I didn't see the first several times I tried to do it. Now, if you look, these trees look pretty tricky, but the cheat layer gives you where the handles go. So you're going to turn that cheat layer on, it's going to change your life. Make sure in the properties that you choose no fill and whatever color your stroke is going to be. And the first part's pretty straightforward. The first part's easy. You're just going to go in there. Come on. Sorry, it's not behaving. First part you're going to start at is you're going to go around and see the cheat layer even tells you where to put anchor points here. I jumped ahead just a little bit on this because I wanted you to not have to watch me make a bunch of straight lines. So here I go. I'm to the point where I'm going to start really relying on this cheat layer. And you see it's got my handle dragged out. So I'm going to do exactly what it says and click here to make my anchor point and drag the handle out just like it says. Pretty darn good. And then come up here and it wants my handle to drag out to that way. Not bad. This is where I'm going to take my handle that came off to the left, and I'm going to hold down Alt, and I'm going to pull it straight up, just like this. That changes my curve into a straight line. Now if I click and let go, I'm going to pull out a handle here, I think. Sorry, with the Alt key, I apologize. Didn't have the Alt key down. And then I'm going to click and drag so the handle comes out. Hold down the Alt key, back up, click and drag so the handle comes out, hold down the Alt key and drag back up, click and so the handle comes out, Alt key, drag back up. This is just getting easy, isn't it? So I want you to work through the rest of that because the handles that they show you in the lesson are really kind of critical in order to get this correct. When you do get it correct, let me know and I'll give you a grade for that too.